Subscribe to the Minor Detective channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. You might have seen someone playing PUBG Mobile with 2 triggers attached on their phones, right? And you were thinking of buying that too. But why to buy when you can make one by your own? So what's up guys, Kushal here, and in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to craft a pair of triggers to play PUBG. And you don't need anything like stick or glue or something like that. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So as I told you before, ready-made triggers are a bit expensive. Not everyone wants to spend that much money to buy a pair of triggers. So for those guys, I'm making this video. Now then, let's go to the actual procedure. First of all, you'll be needing some tools to make it. You need an aluminum foil paper, which I have extracted from a cigarette packet, and you can do that too if you are unable to find aluminum foil papers. And you need some tape, and lastly, an Android phone which you will attach the triggers. And that's all you need. So first of all, take that foil paper which you have extracted from the cigarette packet and make 2 sticks like this.
Dried out tears of sorrow,
which should be a bit thick, else it won't bounce and will not do the trick. Then if you want, you can apply some tape at the middle of the stick. And make sure both sticks are same sized. After that, fold the right stick like this and the left stick like this. Then give it a try with your phone, and if you're satisfied with the position, then you're good to go. Again, don't do exactly as I'm doing. You can try it with your phone, and if you feel comfortable with it, then bend that position. And the final left and right triggers will look a bit like this. So as our triggers are ready, we're gonna attach it with our phone with a transparent tape. Once we're satisfied with the position, then open the PUBG Mobile, go to Controls and click on Customize. Now drag the fire button under the left trigger and make that scope button a little bit bigger and drag that under the right trigger. Or you can do vice versa as per your need. After that, save the customization and try PUBG on training mode. If it's working, then you're good to go. And if it's not, then tweak the trigger's position as well as the HUD customization. And you're done. So as you can see, it's working pretty fine, and my buddy became a pro player with these homemade triggers. So that was pretty much of it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech guide and videos. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, I'll be there to help. And I'll see you guys in the next one.